Hi everyone, welcome. In this additional of today's newspaper on Tuesday, August the 4th, 2020, we have here 5 extra Sudokus. A 1 Star Sudoku, 2 Star Sudoku, 4 Star Sudoku, and binary, and a tectonic one. We will start first with the 1 Star Sudoku. The last time with the additional, with extra Sudokus, I have a lot of problems with the audio. Suddenly there is no audio. I can not find the error. Maybe the cable, the power cable is not good anymore, or maybe the phone is not good anymore. I need to buy a new one. Yeah, I think I go for the Xiaomi Redmi 10X Pro, the global, but it's not available yet, so I need to wait. I'm using the Lenovo Zook 2 phone, and this one is a very oldie, because I think 4 years ago I have purchased this one. Anyway, a lot of problems. Maybe the YouTube has an error, I don't know, but I have many problems with the uploads. Sometimes 2 or 3 times I need to upload a single a single Sudoku, and it's annoying because it will take a lot of time recording, uploading. So if it's too much time, I think I will drop the additional with extra Sudokus, because yeah, I think it's annoying for me, and I don't like it anymore to upload a lot of Sudokus. Maybe I will take the PDF file, and if people has problems with one of them, I will hear it and I will record it. But anyway, if it happens a lot, I will not continue with the additional. So a lot of time. So a new phone, maybe new cable, and if it's a lot of troubles with uploading by YouTube, I think I will drop this. Alright, enough talking. The first Sudoku is a 1 Star Sudoku, and this will be number 1281. Yes, and before I start, I always count the printed numbers, so you can see what the difficulty level is with other Sudokus. We have here 1, 2, 5 plus 2, 7 plus 2 is equal to 9 plus 2 is 11 plus 3 is 14 plus 5 is 19 plus 4 is 23 plus 3 is 26, and 1 is 27. Yes, the Sudoku with 1 star always have 27 printed digits. So let's get started. Let me see. Which number can I use? How about the number Number 7. Can I do something with the 7? Well, 7 in this row, 7 in the middle row, so in the row below, the only two places for the 7 should be here or there. We see here 7, no 7 there, 7 should be here. Then in this column, the middle column, 4 missing numbers. 2 of those missing numbers are the 6 and the 7. In this big square we have a 6 and a 7, so no 6 and a 7 in these 2 boxes. The 6 and the 7 goes in those 2 boxes. We have a 6 here, so no 6 there. 6 should be here, and a 7 goes there. 7 in the last column, 7 in the column next, so in that column. The only 2 places for the 7 should be here or there. We see here 7, no 7 there. 7 should be here. 7 in the third row, 7 in the second row. So in the first row, the only place for the 7 should be there. 7 in the third column, 7 in the first column, so in the column between the second column, the only 2 places for the 7 should be here or there. We see here 7, no 7 there, 7 should be here. And all the 7s are used, I can see. Yes, alright. How about the number? 4 in this column, 4 in the column next. So in the last column, the only 3 places for the 4 should be here, here, or there. We see here 4, no 4 there, here 4, no 4 there. The only place for the 4 should be there. 4 in the third column, 4 in the second column. So in the first column, the only 2 places for the 4 should be here or there. We see here 4, no 4 there, 4 should be here. And then I cannot continue with the 4. I need to use another number. How about the 1 in this column, 1 in the third column. So in the column between, the only place for the 1 should be there. 1 in this row, 1 in the middle row. So in the row below, the only place for the 1 should be here. In this big square, we have 6 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is a 1. We see here 1, so no 1 in these 3 boxes. There 1, no 1 in those 3 boxes. So 1 box left for the 1 should be there. 1 in the first row, 1 in the third row. So in the row between the second row, the only place for the 1 should be here. 1 in this column, 1 in the middle column, so in the column next, the only 2 places for the 1 should be here or there. We see here 1, no 1 there, 1 should be here. 1 in this row, 1 in the row below, so in the last row, the only 2 places for the 1 should be here or there. We see here 1, no 1 there, 1 should be here. And all the 1s are used, I can see. Yes, alright. Alright. Then how about the number Let me see. These 3 missing numbers in this big square, those numbers are the 3, the 2, and the 5. And look, we have a 5 here, so no 5 in these 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 5 should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 2 and 3. We have a 2 here, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and a 3 goes and there. Then 2 in this row, 2 in the middle row, so the row above. The only 3 places for the 2 should be here, here, or there. We see here 2, no 2 there. Here 2, no 2 there. The only place for the 2 should be there. Then 2 numbers left in the second column for the numbers 3 and 6. We see here 3, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 6 goes there. In this big square, 3 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is 6. We see here 6, so no 6 in these 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 6 should be there. 6 in this row, 6 in the middle row, so the row below. The only place for the 6 should be there. 6 in the third column, 6 in the second column, so in the first column, the only 2 places for the 6 should be here. Or there, we see here 6, no 6 there, 6 should be here. 6 in this row, 6 in the last row, so in the row between, the only 2 places for the 6 should be here. Or there, we see here 6, no 6 there, 6 should be here. 6 in this column, 6 in the column next, so in the last column, the only 3 places for the 6 should be here, here. Or there, we see here 6, no 6 there, here 6, no 6 there, the only place for the 6 should be there. And all the 6s are used, I can see. Digit number 3. 1 box left in this row for the number 5. 2 boxes left in this big square for the numbers 5 and 8. We have a 5 now, so no 5 there. 5 should be here, and 8 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 8 and 9. We have an 8 here, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and a 9 goes there. 9 in this row, 9 in that row. So in the middle row, the only 2 places for the 9 should be here. Or there, we see here 9, no 9 there. 9 should be there. 9 in this column, 9 in the column next. So in the last column, the only 2 places for the 9 here. Or there, we see here 9, no 9 there. 9 should be there. 9 in this row, 9 in the last row, so in the row between, the only 2 places for the 9 here. Or there, we see here 9, no 9 there, 9 should be there. 9 in this column, 9 in the middle column, so in the column next, the only 2 places for the 9 should be here. Or there, we see here 9, no 9 there, 9 should be there. And all the 9s are used, I can see. Digit number 4, alright. Now, 2 numbers left in this column, the middle column for the numbers 8 and 3. Yes, we have an 8 here, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and a 3 goes there. 2 numbers left in the last row for the numbers 8 and 2. We have a 8 in this big square, so no 8 there. 8 should be here, and a 2 goes there. 1 number left in this big square for the number 5. 1 missing number in this row for the number 5. Then 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 2 and 3. We have a 2 here, no 2 there. A 2 should be here, and a 3 goes there. Then 1 number left in this column for the number 3. 1 number left in this big square for the number 5. 1 number left in this column for the number 8. Then 2 numbers left in this row for the numbers 2 and 4. We have a 2 here, no 2 there. 2 should be here. 4 goes there. 1 number left in this big square for the number 5. 2 numbers left in this big square. For the numbers 2 and 3, we have a 2 here, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and a 3 goes there. And then 2 numbers left in this row. For the numbers 3 and 5, we have a 3 here, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and a 5 goes there. And the final 2 numbers of this big square for the numbers 8 and 4. We have an 8 here, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and a 4 goes there. Finish in 50 minutes. Yes, great Sudoku. I like this one. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. And I will see you in a minute with the second one, a 2-star Sudoku. See you later, and bye-bye for now.